Welcome back to another very exciting episode of Modded Motors. Today we're going to be doing the SGW Bypass. This is a security gateway bypass. You're going to need it if you need multi-ECU scan. The next two videos we're going to be jumping into multi-ECU scan, so we're going to be doing this today. Should be a very fast video. Well, that's the hope. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and get started. We're actually in the middle of Vlogmas, so if this is your guys' first time here, throughout the December time, we are doing 25 days of uploads. In order to win a free race mode selector, all you have to do is comment on all uploads during from now December 1st through December 25th. You have all the way up to January 1st to comment on all the videos. We're giving you guys enough ample time. That is the race selector once again. And yeah, pretty much very easy to enter. We're going to be doing the race selector in one of these upcoming videos, but we need to do this first before we even jump into that. Honestly with you guys, it's a little bit of a pain to get to in the Stelvio.
It's a little rough.
But in order to get the bypass out, there's two different ways. The way that we're going to try to do it, so you guys can see it's clearly a mess already. I'm going to overlay a clip right here. You have to take out the glove box right here, which is a T25. You take out the T25, wiggle side to side, and that whole little, or not the glove box, but the little side container comes out. The next thing you need to do is remove more T20s underneath the cluster, which we already had and did. We got the 220s out. We drop this down. We're pulling this up. There's supposed to be more T20s behind this, I think, if I understood it correctly. But Crystal's going to go on the other side and record, and we're going to try to figure this out. Yeah, this is a trim piece that we got to pop out. Well, that worked. We're going to try this on the same other side. Oh, it didn't lock. It worked. So I think this whole thing comes out together. That just popped right out, and I think there's more T20s right here. I'm gonna do your side first so you guys can get a clear view. You see that inside there? Yep. So basically the bypasses on both cars are relatively in the same place. They make it a little harder to get to year over year. 21 was pretty rough to get to. I've already done a 21. We didn't have to, if you have a 2017, this video is useless to you. You do not need it. I believe after February of 2018, you will need this video for any one of your cars to get a bypass. Go to date of manufacturer 518. I think it's February, but basically if you're in 2018, you're gonna need a bypass. If you guys want to know where to buy the bypass, you guys already know that I go to Alfissimo to buy pretty much all my OEM and aftermarket stuff. So go shop Alfissimo, and I will put the link in the description this time because I know I forgot last video. Put in the new one. Where you clipping that? This is not as easy as people make it seem. You look like you can't pull it out. Shout out to Alfa Mods. That was very misleading.
No, for real. I
watched Alfa Mods video how to take out your cluster. It is not easy. But basically what I did for the Stelvio, I don't know if it's harder for the Stelvios, but I pulled right first, and then I pulled left, and now it's out for the most part. But now here's where we're going to turn off the car, cut off the power. So make sure you disconnect the battery, especially when you're doing the bypass, because you know, right now. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, get away from me.
Power's cut. That's it, power's cut.
Oh, alright.
Alrighty. And that's a tab you pull up on. The more you know. Trying to show you guys where the bypass is at with my phone because I actually have a flashlight on it. So if you go right through the cluster, the bypass is right here. So now it's basically, it's really hard to get my hands back there still. But get my hands behind that to unplug it and then feed the wires down. So Stelvio owners, Giulia owners, your best bet is to go out this way. Going from the bottom is easier, but it's just really hard to see where the module's at. I'm finding it easier to go up to the top. All right, I don't know if you guys can see it, but the bypass is now plugged in. Hold on. There's 3 10 millimeters that...
There you go.
There's 3 10 millimeters that we took off, which we decided to do. When we took those 10 millimeters off, we pretty much got the whole box free. We're able to get it out and plug our bypass in. It's not easy.
No, at
and
all.
If you have small hands, it would be best. If you don't, like I don't, it's going to be really rough. Get you a small-handed wife. But just to show you guys, there's no codes. That's just tire pressure and my washer reservoir, but everything else, there's no codes. So this is what we're going to do in today's video. to reinstall, just reverse the process. We ran out of daylight, so we're gonna stop it here and we gotta get it editing. Should be a very short video. We're gonna try to do race mode, but we clearly lost sunlight, so we're gonna do that tomorrow or the next day. But that's your bypass. Again, helpful tips. I don't know if you can see my arm.
Oh, you can't see your
It's
arm.
Ridiculous.
Yeah.
The best way to do it is take the 3 10mm off so you get the whole box loose. Because trying to get your hands behind there, it's hard to see and show you, which is like the worst part about it. But don't believe any videos. It's not as easy as I make it seem. It's really hard. Take your time. And if you can't do it yourself, take it to somebody who can. Don't ask me to do it for you or pay me. I don't want to.
No problem.
No thanks. Again, to enter into the race mode selector giveaway, all you have to do is comment down below. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for all of the people that have been participating in Vlogmas. Even if you really don't care about the race selector, we greatly appreciate you. We'll see you guys tomorrow. And then I don't know if I'm just. Do I put this back or?
Oh shit.
I don't know. I don't think you really need it, right?
What is that for? No, I don't.
Security bypass. To Alfa security. You guys are smart, huh?
This is hard.